T-Mobile error code 614 indicates a failure during SIM activation or number porting, often due to PIN-related issues. It arises from mismatches in account data, such as an incorrect PIN, expired port requests that must be completed within 24 hours, or SIM card incompatibilities. PINs are generally 4 to 6-digit codes set for security during activations and porting. The error means your number transfer or activation is blocked. T-Mobile queries the losing carrier during porting via the Number Portability Administration Center. Error 614 signifies a rejection at this stage, typically due to verification failures, outdated PINs, or incorrect account info. Start by double-checking your PIN, account number, IMEI, and billing zip code to ensure accuracy. Next, use the My T-Mobile app for AI-assisted troubleshooting to guide you through the process. If the PIN is the issue, reset it via the app using biometric verification if available on your device. Ensure the number you're porting is eligible according to T-Mobile's policies. If the error persists, contact T-Mobile support, especially for legacy Sprint accounts or eSIM issues. Be aware that causes could include SIM card defects, incompatible devices, or back-end system lags during high-volume activations or network congestion. Resolution can take 24 to 48 hours.